It's Arabora. Welcome back. Today I will write letter Y and Z.
Okay, Arabora. Today you are going to write letter Y and Z with the help of standing line, slanting line, and sleeping line. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Slanting line, one more slanting line, and standing line. Slanting line, one more slanting line, and standing line. Standing line. This is letter
Y.
Y. Y is for
Yard.
yak. Okay.
Yellow.
Yellow. And Y is for
Yummy.
yummy. And
Yucky.
yucky. And
Yogurt.
yogurt. Very nice. And
Yoga.
yoga. Very nice. And
Yo-yo.
yo-yo. Good. Next letter is
G.
Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, one more sleeping line. Yes. Sleeping line, slanting line, one more sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, slanting line, one more sleeping line. This is letter
D.
Z is for
Zebra.
zebra and
Zoo.
zoo. And what is in your jacket?
Zip.
Zip. And
Zero.
zero. And
Zigzag.
zigzag. Very nice, Arav. Thank you, Arav. Well done.
Thanks for watching. And be